out why the name was saying top main. Apparently, this pattern has like two pieces on top of it. They were grouped together. I didn't realize that. I was able to click and drag and move it out of the way. Of course, my computer's going a little slow. Okay, there we go. So them as a group is named top main. But when I clicked on just this one, I named it halter front. Interesting. So yeah, sometimes when you get those DXF patterns, they can be pretty messy because they're not always made in CLO. Obviously, they're made in, Gerber, Electra, Tucatec, Optitex, who knows what program. So here, so I'm going to change the name from top main to halter top front. Wow. So there we go. They were grouped together. And that's why I was not seeing the name change that I wanted to see. I guess I was clicking. This might actually be an internal line the way it's reading it. Oh gosh. Anyways, just wanted to share.